Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to report Threads accounts from your mobile. So first you can get through your Threads account from Instagram or also from the app directly by tapping on Threads. So let's go through Threads, and right here as you can see, you can go to the search bar and tap on the search bar on the right here. You just need to type the name of that one that you want to report or of the page that you want to report. So for me, I'm not looking for anyone, so just let's pick a random one. So this one, for example, and once you are on their page or his page or her page or this page, I want you just to go through this three dots on the top right corner, tap on them, and right here I want you to select or to tap on reports, the last option. This is how you can report someone on Threads or to report a Threads account. So here you will select either you want to report a post or a message or comment, or either you want to report account. So if you want to report account, and this video is about how to report an account on Threads, so let's go into this option. Once you tap on that option, you will select the reason why you are reporting this page or this person. So right here, it may right here there are three options. So you just need to read them carefully to pick the correct one. So for me, let's just tap on a random one, and right here it says who is this account pretending to be, and you will select if this account is pretending to be you or someone else, or your or someone of your family, etc. And there are, the most of people is reporting the pages because they are posting the content that shouldn't be on Threads or that shouldn't be on the social media. So let's go into the first one, and here you can select either it's because of spam or suicide or self-injury, nudity or sexual activities, etc. So I'm not gonna continue because I don't know him. He did nothing wrong with me, and it's all. That's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.